Hello guys, today we are going to review Lifelong's handheld full body massager. Here we can see the few features are mentioned on the box. It has vibration massage, speed control, and it has 5 massage heads. Here you can see some of the specifications of the product. And on the other side we can see the same features and the heads that have been provided with this box. Over here we have the how the machine helps us. It helps us relax stiff muscle, light and convenient to handle, easy to use with a single control button, portable design and adaptable massage settings. Some precautions are also mentioned. We should use with the cover because it protects our hair, and it is not recommended to use it without the cover if you are using near hair. So let's unbox this. So we have been using this massager for last 1 week, and as you can see, this is how it looks. Here we have the massage head, and there is a filter which is attached to the massage head. We have the control knob over here which we can use to control the speed, and I opted for the long handle of this massager. We also get the short handle of this massager. I opted for the long handle because I wanted to use it on my back, and it will be easy to massage with this long handle. Also, there is a very long wire with this. It is around 3 meters. I didn't measure it, but it seems to be around 3 meters. Also with this we have these massage heads. This one is for your ankles so that you can rub off the dead skin, and these are the other ones. So we have this head, which this one was the one which was there earlier, and I've replaced it with this one. Let's see how we open this massager. This filter needs to be removed, which we need to rotate it, and as you can see there we have three hooks over here, and which holds the filter. The filter helps avoid the hair getting entangled in the machine, so this is recommended to use it with this filter and not without the filter. With this, including this, we have total 5 heads, 3 here and 2 these two. This is one of the massage heads. Let's see how we open it. If you can see, there is a notch here. I think you can't see it here. Let's open this and then you can see it clearly. Just pull it and it will come out, and now you can see the 2 notches. One is here and the other is here. So when you put this here, so you can insert your finger in the notches to pull it out. So putting it and removing it very easy. You just have to slide it on it, and I'll show you with another one. Here you just have to press this and it will get fixed, and see if it has fit correctly all around. And after this, put the filter on. Once you rotate it, you get a click, and that means it has set. So now you can use it. So now let me plug this in and switch it on. So to switch it on, you have to rotate this knob. Now it has started. So to close it, just rotate the knob in the other direction. Now it has closed. To open it again, rotate the knob, and as you can see, it has switched on. So if you rotate it, the speed increases, and the other way it decreases. To close it, just take it to the end point and it will close. So let us talk about the usage of this machine, this massager. So this massager, I loved it really, because I did not expect it to be this good. I used it one day and I was in love with this machine, and after that I have been using it for 1 week, and it is totally value for your money. And if you have pain in any part of your body, you can use this massager, and it is very effective. Earlier I thought it won't work as good, and how would I use it by myself, but you do not have to, you do not need anybody else, and you can use it by yourself without any help. Just switches on and put it on your muscle, and it will work great. As you can see here, it vibrates and rotates and relieves you from the pain. Some other things that I want to tell about this massager is, so if you are using this massager, use it on a place where you have some clothes on, like t-shirt or shirt, or you can put a handkerchief and use it. If you use it on bare skin, the filter rubs against your skin and causes some itching. So definitely use it on some cloth, and it won't cause that itching. So because of these threads, it causes itching if you use it on bare skin. And I would like to say that this massager is totally worth its value. And before buying it, I thought if it would work or not, but it did work and it is really great, and I would recommend you to buy this. And definitely I will recommend it to buy this. I have put a link in the description, you can buy it from there. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you like the video, please like it. Thank you.